sisters all go on and stand up so tall. The world has never seen a thing like you. You got a smile to light up the dark.
Girls, I'm so happy that you are here today. So, grabe jud ako na-appreciate, no? Ang inyong presence, sa inyong mga initiative, and happy po jud ko kay kamo ang ako ang mga bridesmaids.
Thank you po.
Welcome po.
Hatag na ko ni akong gift kay based sa ilang personality o silang kuan para makahatag ko og ganang kuan ba kayag mawala ang kayag dayon nice. Salamat.
Salamat, Grom.
Ozoro.
Salamat, Grom.
Labs, mauman na gyud ni ato ang gina-ready og 6 months ni gipangandaman.
Unta, this day will remind us sa ato ang future, no, na mga problems, yung ana na gipili gud nato ang isa't isa.
No more sleepless nights na gyud sa pag-prepare and mo na gyud ni i-enjoy lang nato and see you later. I love you, Labs.
So let's dance the night away. Go on and sing what you wanna say. Sing it. So let's dance the night away. Go on and sing what you wanna say.
Ralph John, the first time I saw you, I never imagined we'd be standing here today. Honestly, sa first impression pa lang, nasabaan ko sa imo. But life has its beautiful surprises. And who would have thought that the same loud and extroverted guy who once startled me would become the person I can't imagine life without.
It's more than enough to let the light in.
Ay, grabe ko ka-bless kay kanang feeling na makita mo gud nimo nga kung anang ang babae na nagyud na sa imong tubangan og feel na nimo na ready na ka nga siya ang imong makauban for the rest of your life.
Rob John, do you take Beverly Joy here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Take my hand and my promises. They're yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you.
What kind of love that is to be found in marriage? It is to be the marital love, which is deep and permanent. And let us hope that the love of Rob Jen and Beverly Joy is deep and permanent, not only today, but for all eternity.
For the rest of my life. You're in my side and my mind.
Although kabalo ko nga somehow along the way mag-encounter tag hardship pero akong buhaton ang tanan na mapaligaan nun o basta kauban ka ma-okay lang ang tanan. Your loving husband, Rap. Yes.
In this life, 'cause we're everything we can't find in another life. Take my hand and my promises. They're yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you. Keep my heart and my honor is yours to be held.
Loves, I promise to love, honor, and cherish you, not just in the good days, but especially in the difficult ones. I promise to respect you not just as my husband, but as my partner and my equal. With God at the center of our marriage, I know we'll face anything hand in hand. I love you, Rafjan.